Friends, in this module we are going to discuss our sixth question in geometric progression, fifth exercise. If you not hit subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon and try to share with your friends and family members. And here, what is that question here is they are given that fourth term, that is equal to 2 by 3, and seventh term equal to 16 by 81. So these are the terms, and find GP. So what is geometric progression? So what is the geometric progression series in this? So let's going to write what is the first term, what is the first term, and what is the ratio, common ratio. We have to find it, then we can continue our geometry progression. So here, what is nth term? An will be equal to a into r power n minus 1. So this is the nth term formula in geometric progression. So here fourth term means a4 will be equal to a into r power 4 minus 1. So that will be equal to a into r power 4 minus 1, that is equals to what? 2 by 3. So this is the first one. Then a seventh term will be equal to a into r power. So what is 7? 7 minus 1, a into r power 6, that will be equal to 16 by 81. Can you do like this or not? Yes. So let's going to take equation 1 and equation 2. So these are the equation 1 and 2. Let's going to divide. So if you divide, we can cancel a and a. For that only we are taking division, subtraction, or whatever it is. You can take left side and right side as it is. But here, why we are taking division here? A we need to cancel. So that is 2 by 1. Let's going to take 2 by. So what is the case here? Let's going to take 2 by 1. Equation 2 by 1. So what is the equation 2 left side? A r power 6 by a r power cube, that will be equal to 16 by 81 whole divided by 2 by 3. So 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. So this is the case. So 2 ones are 2 eights are. Then what you can say, 3 ones are, then 3 twos are, 3 sevens are. So what answer we are getting? 8 by 27. So can you cancel? Yes, no. So let's going to find it here. A will going to cancel r power 6 by r cube. So since what formula we are using here? A power m by a power n, that is a power m minus n. So this formula, that is r power 6 minus 3, will be equal to 8 by 27. So what answer we are getting here? R cube will be equal to 8 by 27. So 8 you can write in the format of 2 cube, and 27 you can write in the format of 3 cube. So 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 by 3 whole cube. So that is equal to, so let's going to calculate R3 will be equal to 2 by 3. R cube will be equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. Then R will be equal to, what is the case? So cube root of 2 by 3 whole cube. So that is 2 by 3 whole cube into 1 by 3. So this is the case. So R will be equal to 2 by 3. So we got it, R will be equal to 2 by 3. Now what we have to find it here? So we have to find what is the first term. Let's going to substitute 2 by 3 in there. So substitute R will be equal to 2 by 3 in equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A r cube will be equal to 2 by 3. A r cube will be equal to 2 by 3. So what is the r here? A into 2 by 3 whole cube, that is equals to 2 by 3. So this is the 1. So 2 cube and 3 cube. So a into 2 cube by 3 cube, that is equals to 2 by 3. That implies a into 8 by 27 will be equal to 2 by 3. That implies a will be equal to 2 by 3 into 27 by 8. Can you do like this or not? Reciprocal. So changing that factor. So 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So a will be equal to, sorry, here 3 nines are. So 9 by 4. So first term will be equal to 9 by 4, as we know, that is 3 nines are 27, 3 fours are. So here a will be equal to what? 9 by 4. So first term a will be equal to 4 and r will be equal to 2 by 3. So a, r, we got it. Now what we have to find it? So here we need to find that, find GP. So what is A a1 will be equal to a will be equal to 1 by 4. Then what is a2? a1 into r, a1 will be equal to 9 by 4 into r 2 by 3. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 1s are 3 3s are, that is equals to 3 by 2. Then what is a3? That is a2 into r. So a2 will be equal to 3 by 2 into r will be equal to 2 by 3. So 2 2 1 1, that is 1. Then a4, that is a3 into r. So a3 will be equal to 1, r will be equal to 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3. So what is the series? 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1, 2 by 3 and so on. So this is the geometric progression series. By using of some formulas we have to find it. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.